What's up, everyone? This is Michelle Alexandria. I am here staying at Loews Portofino Hotel here in fabulous Universal Studios Orlando. As you can see, I'm getting ready to give you a room tour. As you can see, the hallway is pretty plain, but beautiful, clean, very wide. So, if you look out here, I want to show you a little bay area. Look at that beautiful lake. It's gorgeous. It's not really functional because you can't swim in it, you can't row in it. And when you get off the boat, you got to walk around it, which is really annoying to get to this room. But this is room 1262. And as you walk in, you can see this is a beautiful, spacious room. I don't even know how much I paid for this room. I think I paid $300 a night. That sounds about right. I think it's $300 a night. This is a premium room, so that means it comes with Universal's Express Pass. Disney can actually learn from what Universal is doing because they actually treat their premium hotel customers like they matter, because this is one of the biggest perks you can get, which is the free Universal Express Pass. Now, granted, it doesn't include the ticket, which is annoying because what's the point of an Express Pass if you can't get into the park? But this represents like $100 a day savings. So, and actually it can be up to $200 if it's a very busy day at the park. Express passes are $200. So if you have this with if you get this with your room, that almost pays for the room itself. Especially, think about it, if you have a family of 4 people, everyone would have a free Express Pass. So that's $400 being saved right there. And that takes care of one room night. And that takes care of one room, and actually that's basically $400 a day, because basically you have to buy an Express Pass every day, and if it's tied to your room key, it is like you're rebuying it every single day. So yeah, if you stay at a premium property hotel like Universal Studios and you're a family of 4, it's a no-brainer to stay at a premium hotel just for the Express Pass alone, because you save a minimum of $400 per family a day. So, and your room's only $300 a night, $350 a night, something like that. So, yeah, well worth it. So, one thing I always look for in a hotel room is the Keurig machine. And I love that this hotel has a Keurig machine, so that's very nice. The thing I don't like as a tea drinkers are always screwed at hotels. Like if you drink coffee, you're golden. You got your French roast, you get your green tea, your decaf coffee, lots of milk and creamery, and you also get all of this. Very nice tea setup. I wish there was a trash can over here because it's annoying. You have to take your K-cup out and throw it away. But one of the things I've gotten into the habit of doing is bringing my own tea K-cups just in case my room has it. So it's nice that this room has a Keurig machine, and also bring a little pack of sugar. It actually looks like blow. For all you kids, you don't need to know what blow is, but that's what it looks like when you see sugar in the plastic bag like that. And here I am, people. My hair's been a mess the last couple of days. I leave my apartment with my hair looking good, and then I get on one ride and it's like all over the place. So here's the closet. You get plenty of closet space. You get an extra pillow. So yeah, plenty of closet space. You get a safe. Wow, nice size safe. So very lovely. I was shocked by how big this bathroom is. And I'm a little disappointed that there's no jacuzzi. So you would think with the bathroom this size, the jacuzzi would be really huge, but it's not. So you get a plug right there. Get 2 plugs. Get a nice size bathtub. I'm coming around to people who don't like sheets. I have these at home, and yeah, I would love to have like a nice glass door or something. That would be nice for a change. The water pressure is really nice. Universal does the whole scam where they don't change the sheets every night unless you specifically ask them to, which annoys the crap out of me. And I especially hate it when they use that BS excuse of they're doing it for conservation. So for conservation, they're not changing towels and sheets or any of that kind of stuff. That's BS. I hate it when these companies cut back on services and then try to blow smoke up my ass and claim it's for the environment. When it's not for the environment at all. They're just cutting costs. So here's the main bulk of the room. As you can see, very nice sized room. Over here you get a clock radio with the little wireless dock here, which I really like. And the only USBs in the entire room are these two USBs right here. This part of the clock radio. I was going to try out my new 4K camera this weekend, but I need to spend some time before I commit to it and figure out how to use it. But theoretically, this is going to be better than carrying around my iPhone. I love using my iPhone and recording stuff on my iPhone, but I love the size of this and the fact that it has a gimbal already on it, so that's going to be really cool. I'm going to try to use this primarily for my cruise in January. You have two regular plugs right here. Two more right here. The room has plenty of plugs, so you have two outlets right there. Two more outlets. Actually, 4 outlets over there by your bed. Then you have an outlet on the lamp. And 2 more outlets right here. The thing that's been driving me nuts the last 2 nights I've been here is the fact that the lamp on the bedside lamp is way up here. How does that make any kind of sense at all? Because you're lying in bed and you can't turn your bedside lamp on and off without actually physically getting out of the bed and then turning it off. I mean, for perspective, this is how high it is. This is your bedside table. Normally you have a lamp right here and you can just kind of easily turn it on and off, but nope, it's way up there, and that's irritating as heck. Again, you have a lot of drawer space, and you get a nice size refrigerator. So down here I put some stuff in here, and I love it when hotels give you an actual refrigerator and like the stupid that you can actually use and like the stupid mini bar, because I went over to Walgreens and I stocked up on some water and sodas for like $2 each instead of spending like $8 in the parts. So that's nice. And again, this hotel, being a premium property hotel, is on the walking path, but it's the furthest walking path. Wow, look at that crowd. Get ready to go over to Universal Orlando Informer. This hotel is is the last stop on the walking path and on the boat. But you do get the boat. You can ride the boat, and the walking path is right over there. I actually showed you the walk yesterday. Like I said before, I love this view of the lake. This view of the lake is beautiful, but that sun, man. When you're sitting right there, when you're sitting on a little love seat couch thing, that sun is directly in your eyes. But I love the lake. It's a beautiful lake, but it's also really annoying. I think I want to end up hoofing it again, because look at those crowds. And I don't feel like waiting for the boat, because over here, it's like the boats run every 20 minutes. So if you miss the boat, Don't rock the boat, baby, rock the boat. So if you miss the boat, it's going to take you, you're going to be waiting for like 20 minutes for the next boat. And it's only a 20-minute walk to the park. So at that point, you might as well walk to the park. The only problem with walking to the park is you're wasting your steps. You're wasting your legs doing that walk. Because again, this event goes from like 7 p.m. to 1:30 in the morning. So you want to kind of conserve your energy and your legs and your feet. So if you use it up walking to the park, by like 10:30 or 11, I'm dying. I'm like, I'm old. But you youngins, you can probably go all day walking around the amusement park. Like me, I can't. And normally, and I checked my Apple Watch yesterday. I walked literally 9 miles yesterday, I think. So like 19,000 steps. That's a lot. So yeah, and over here, you have all your little Italian restaurants and everything. The hotel is beautiful but plain at the same time. I did eat at one of the Italian restaurants. I didn't film any of that, but it was a beautiful family restaurant. They had Italian singers there doing like music from The Godfather, so it was really nice. And over in the courtyard, they had some singers. If you follow me on Facebook or Twitter, I posted a couple of clips of that. So yeah, at night, it all lights up really nice. It's nice to just kind of hang out. But yeah, so this is Loews Portofino Bay. I'm not going to show you the lobby area because to get to the lobby, it's kind of a hassle to get to the lobby. In the lobby, there's nothing interesting going on in the lobby. But yeah, I kind of did this hotel. Would I stay here again? If it's the only one available, sure, I have no problem staying here again. But that lamp situation got to change. The bed is weird. On the one hand, it's kind of comfortable, but I had trouble sleeping on it. And it's really kind of weirdly small. It doesn't feel like a regular size. On a regular size queen bed, my feet do not hang over the bed, like over the edge of the bed, like it does on this one. But it's really soft. We'll give it that. But yeah. So anyway, this is the Loews room. And I think this is I don't even know what kind of room it is. I think it's a regular king size room or a queen size room with a queen bed. I don't think it's anything special. It's not a suite or anything. I just don't remember how much I paid for it. I think it's like $300 a night. And beware, they do put like a $50 hold on you. They normally tell you it's a $200 a night hold. So basically, your credit card can be tied up for like up to $600 until that stuff rolls off. And I hate it when hotels do that nonsense. However, Universal does let you go down to $50 a night. So make sure you tell them, don't put the $200 hold on it, put a $50 hold on it. So that's a nice little tip for you all. And I do like being able to walk around the parks. And if not for my phone and me videotaping stuff, I could pretty much just walk around the entire Universal complex with just my room key. I love being able to just charge up stuff to my room key. And I don't have to carry my credit cards, my IDs, or any of that stuff. I just use my room key for everything. So, and that's pretty darn awesome. I like that. I wish I could do that in my real life. Well, you can with your credit card. But yeah, I like being able to just use my room key, eat at any restaurants, do anything I want, and just charge it up to my room and call it a day. Let them deal with it. Especially when they already automatically pre-book your card for anywhere from $50 to $200 a night anyway. So yeah, that's it. Talk to you guys later. I'm going to charge up my phone for another 10 or 15 minutes and head out to the parks. I didn't want to get to the parks too early today. I was there from like 4 p.m. to midnight last night, and I got a lot done. So tonight, I'm just going to head over there about 6 and start in around 7 and get some food when the food thing. I feel like I've been eating all day, and I've already been over to the parks for a few hours this morning. So yeah, anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.